Hello everyone, I'm Fred Haiman with the law firm of Haiman Hogue. We are a faith-based estate planning and elder law firm in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today I'm going to talk to you about what is probate. People hear that term all the time, and usually most people I talk to know the term probate, but a lot of people don't know what exactly it means. Probate is the process that you have to go through, or family has to go through, when somebody passes away and we have to administer their estate. So if my dad passes away and he has a will, or he doesn't have a will, or he has a trust, something has to be done to administer his estate to pass whatever he had on to the next generation. That's what we often call probate. True probate, though, is a process that goes through the courts. So you have to file something with court, you have to go before a judge, you have to get the judge to approve everything, you have to get the judge to give authority to carry it out, and then you have to carry out the wishes. So probate really falls into two main categories. That's when somebody passes away without a will, and when somebody passes away with a will. If you pass away without a will, then I always say that the government has a will for you, and we have to abide by what the government says. And so that's what's called an heirship proceeding. We have to determine who the person's heirs are, and then based on what the government tells us, we decide that the government decides who the heirs are and who gets the stuff that comes down out of the estate. So for instance, if a person passes away without a will and they're married and they don't have any children, then the spouse would be the heir. If they're married with children of that marriage, then the spouse would still be the sole heir. But if they're married and they have children from outside of that marriage and they don't have a will, then the children become the heirs of the half of the estate from the person that passes away. So there's a lot of different things that can go on, but all of that has to go through the court proceeding. Large counties have what we call statutory probate courts. These are courts that only listen to probate cases. Smaller counties, rural counties, have county courts at law, and those are courts that listen to all different types of cases, including probate cases. So they're sometimes more difficult dealing with some of the smaller counties because the judges aren't as knowledgeable and aren't as up to speed on all the probate laws as a statutory probate judge is. But the most important thing is in Texas, whenever you go through the probate process, you cannot do it on your own. We have what I call job security laws that make you hire an attorney. You have to hire an attorney to go through the probate process. So make sure you hire an attorney who knows what they're doing, an experienced probate attorney that can help you at the worst time of need when you've lost a loved one and you have to figure out how to administer their estate. I hope this has helped you answer a little bit about probate, but if you have any more questions, if we can help you in any way at all at Haiman Hogue, please give us a call at the number you'll see on our screen. Thank you so much for listening to me today. God bless.